Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful Amplify waves look. I'm going to start with the Amplify Root-Lift Spray Conditioner, starting at the roots and working my way through the lengths and ends. It's a lightweight conditioner and it gives also this really beautiful lift at the roots that I need. Before I'm going to start drying, it's also good to know that there's heat protection in the Amplify Root-Lift Spray Conditioner, and it really helps me to make the roots, especially when I'm using my fingers, I lift up the hair and then I start drying. Brush the hair all the way to the front and you really go deep into the roots that I already see. I already lift the hair, so it's quite logic to dry it in this way. Also, when I start drying, I take off my nozzle to get a wider reach. You can already see that there's a really super nice lift in the hair. I think we can layer a little bit of Amplify Mousse. It's a lightweight mousse that gives beautiful shine. I make a horizontal shape. I take another section, let's say 2 centimeters below or in between. Pull it to the other side. Then I use my fingers first. Start brushing the product through the hair, so it goes from a lot till a little bit less, and a little bit in the very ends. And then I'm repeating the blow drying again with the nozzle off, and then I use my fingers to dry the hair. And when I go in with my fingers, I also sometimes pull the hair up, so I really even help more to get volume, adding volume at the roots. To finish the first round, I'm gonna polish just the outline of the hair, and everything in between I'm not gonna blow dry with my curling brush. I will just use a little hint of the working hairspray. I mean, it really helps me to have a little bit of hold. Because of the hold, I can even get more tension on the hair, so the hair also becomes more shinier because I stretch out the hair. Now we're gonna go to the next step. I'm gonna spray first the working hairspray on my first section. Then I pull the hair a little bit more towards the face. Then I take my second section, and instead of pulling it up, I will add volume here around the ear, and I want that to be more flat. So I will divide the hair in two. This one goes more down. Spray the hair with the working hairspray, little hints. Then using the curling iron, and only moving in halfway of the section. So see, so this stays more flat and more relaxed around the face. I also sometimes pull the hair down when it's still warm to make sure that the hair stays a little bit longer instead of that the pull will be too strong. So what I do now, I make like a sort of pointy section in the back. The first 2 centimeters will not be touched by the curling iron, but the section on top will be. So you get this really nice slouchy wave, but it will be very light. So this last section I take away because this one goes more up because I want to add on a little bit more volume at the top. But here on the sides, I work my way in a diagonal section. I use now a big thong. You can also use your fingers, but you can also use a big comb. And try to keep it when you brush that the hair stays airy. Work your way towards the roots, especially when the hair is a bit longer. You don't want to break the hair in between. So if I want to add a little bit more volume, then I would use the dry shampoo just at the roots. Make sure you shake the bottle well. To finish look, I'm going to use the blow spray serum and a little bit of the working hairspray just to have that extra shine. Her hair is also colored, so it will also protect when she's going to be outside. I'm just using my fingertips and I take some of the bits of hair to make them a little bit more chunkier. Thanks for watching this tutorial about the Amplify Waves. I hope you liked it. Subscribe and I see you next time.